Hello everyone, welcome back to Drawing with me. We shall learn how to draw Shin-chan today, shall we? Ready? Let us get started. First, draw a semicircle for his head. Next, at the left side of his head, draw C for his cheek. Add a smaller inverted C at the right side to represent his ears. Looks a little like Snoopy now, don't he? Moving on, leave a little space from his cheek, and draw a slanted line up to join at the ear. Add in his tongue next. Draw a small curved line. Add a small U below. Finish off with a line in the middle. We shall move on to draw his signature thick eyebrows. Draw a rounded V. Then at a distance below, draw a smaller V. Close both ends with two semicircles. Repeat the same for the other eyebrow. Rounded V, smaller V, semicircle. Add in his hair next. Draw a curved line in between his two eyebrows, then a line down from the right. Moving on, we shall work on his eyes. First, draw a semicircle about the size of his eyebrow, like so. Then, draw a circle below it. Followed with another smaller one inside. Shall we work on the next eye? First, draw a line upwards, followed by a bigger curve at a distance below. Let's move on to his shirt and short pants. Draw a slightly tilted J to represent the hand he is hiding behind his body, followed by an upward inverted 7 for his hand hiding behind his head. And we shall move on to completing his shirt. Together with his pants. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share and subscribe.